Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Follow these steps. Boil water and add salt. After you rinse your rice, pour fresh water. For every cup of rice, use 1 3/4 cups of water into a large saucepan with a tight-fitting lid. Pour in rice. Stir once, or just enough to separate the rice. Cover the pot and simmer. Fluff rice with a fork. The 2nd of January 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Add a teaspoon of salt and bring the water to a boil. The salt helps to remove even more starch, keeping the rice from sticking, and also helps remove any talcum the rice might contain. Some foreign mills add talcum to rice to make it stick less. The salt also helps with seasoning. 10 October 2019.
Take our lead.
When rice is shipped, grains jostle around and rub against one another. Some of the outer starch scratches off. When the now starch-coated rice hits the boiling water, the starch blooms and gets sticky. 19 September 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Rinse. Give your rice a quick rinse to remove extra starches. This will help keep it from becoming sticky. Ratio. Use a ratio of 1 cup white rice to 2 cups water. Do not stir. When you first add the rice, give it 1 or 2 quick stirs and then avoid stirring it. Stirring rice can release starches and make it sticky. 30 December 2018.
Take our lead.
Add a splash of oil to your rice to prevent the individual grains from sticking together. For rice that you don't want to stick together, throw a splash of oil or a pat of butter into the cooking liquid, about a tablespoon. 17 February 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Bring 1 1/2 cups water to a boil in a medium saucepan. Stir in rice and salt and return to a boil over medium-high heat. Reduce heat to a simmer, cover, and cook until rice is tender and has absorbed all the liquid. 16 to 18 minutes. Check only toward the end of cooking time.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.